So today we're going to write an equation of a parabola with vertex 1, 2 that passes through the point 4, 8. So recall that the vertex formula for the quadratics in general is f of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex and x comma y is just any point on the function. So we could right now plug in h and k, right? We could plug in 1 and 2 for h and k because it was stated in the question that the vertex is 1, 2. So therefore our next line would be that f of x is equal to a times x minus 1 squared plus 2. But here's the thing. We didn't account for the fact that with just this step, this is a whole family of different parabolas. Okay, this equation here represents any parabola that has vertex 1, 2, regardless whether it opens up or opens down or is stretched or compressed in comparison to the parent function. And so this actually represents a whole family of functions. There's only one a value that would allow for the one of the points it passes through to be 4, 8. So what we need to do next is plug in 4, 8 for x and y, or in this case for x and f of x. And we need to then solve for a. So I'm going to plug in for f of x, I'm going to plug in 8. And for x, I'm going to plug in 4. And then I'm just going to solve for a. Okay, so that means 8 times is equal to a times 3 squared plus 2, which means if we subtract 2 from both sides, we get that 6 is equal to 9a. And then that means a is equal to 6 over 9, which is equal to 2/3. So if a is equal to 2/3, that means our equation is f of x is equal to 2/3 times x minus 1 squared plus 2, like that. And there we go. All right, let's do one more question like this. Here they would like an equation of the parabola with vertex -3, -2 that passes through the point 0, 1. So same thing as before, we know that in general, the equation of a parabola in vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where h comma k is the vertex and x comma y is a point. And so then we have, let's put y as 1, x is 0, h is going to be -3, and k is -2. And now we need to solve for a. So that means 1 is equal to 9a minus 2, which means that 3 is equal to 9a, which means that a is equal to 1/3 this time. Therefore, this equation would be y, or f of x, is equal to 1/3 times x plus 3 squared minus 2. And there we go.